Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss some important, interesting questions related to chapter 1. And with the help of that, you will also know about the scientific facts for the different phenomena. Like the first question is related to what happens when you pour some acetone on your palm. Now, what is acetone, student? Acetone is the most volatile substance that can be evaporized fastly if we put it open. Now, acetone is also used as nail polish remover. If we put the acetone in our palm, then we feel the cool. Why do we feel cool, student? Because when the acetone is evaporized, then at the time of the evaporation, its particle gain the kinetic energy, and they gain the kinetic energy by absorbing the heat energy of the palm. And due to the absorption of the heat energy from the palm, we feel cool. Means we feel cool due to the absorption of the heat energy, and that heat energy is used as kinetic energy of the particles that are evaporized. So it is the scientific reason from which we feel cool in our palm when we put the acetone or petrol or alcohol on our palm. Now we come on the next question. Why are we able to sip hot tea faster from saucer rather than a cup? Yes, especially in the summer season, student, what you do, you take the tea in the saucer or a plate-like structure. Why? Because that tea you can easily take because it becomes cool. Why does it becomes cool, student? Tea becomes cool because the saucer covers the more surface area, and due to having the more surface area, that tea is evaporized more, and due to the evaporation, the particles of the tea absorb the heat energy, and that due to absorption of the heat energy, that tea becomes cool, and we can sip the tea faster from the saucer rather than a cup. What is the main reason? The main reason is the saucer has the large surface area from which the evaporation takes place more. Now what is the saucer, student? Saucer is the plate that is used with the cup. Now we come on the next question. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer, student? Cotton clothes. As you know that what is cotton? Cotton is a natural fiber and it is used to make the clothes. Now the cotton clothes have very small pores in them. Due to those pores, the evaporation due to the sweating or the perspiration, the evaporation takes place, means the sweat evaporation takes place, and due to the evaporation, the particles gain the kinetic energy by the absorption of the heat energy of our body, and we feel cool. First reason, because the clothes, cotton clothes have the pores, and from those pores, the evaporation takes place, and during the evaporation, the particles gain the kinetic energy by the absorption of the heat energy of our body. That's why we feel cool in the cotton cloth. That's why we should wear the cotton clothes in the summer, student. Now we come on the next question. Why do people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground? Generally, this activity you observe in the evening time, student. Generally, in the evening time, what we do, we sprinkle water on the ground. And after the sprinkling the water, we feel cool in that particular area. Why do we feel cool? Because student, when we sprinkle the water, when we spread the water in the particular ground or particular roof, at that time the water is evaporized, and during the evaporation its particle means the water particles gain the kinetic energy by the absorption of the heat energy of the surrounding. That's why we feel cool, or that's why we should sprinkle the water on the roof or open ground during the hot day. Now we come on the next question, student. How does water kept in an earthen pot become cool? So the answer of this question is similar to this question, student. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Earthen pots are made up of soil, student, and what they have small pores in them. There are the small pores are found in the earthen pots, from where the water is evaporized as vapor or steam. Now during the evaporation or during the vaporization, these water particles gain the kinetic energy by the absorption of the heat energy of the water, and due to absorption of the heat energy of water, that water becomes cool, student. That's why in the summer season we should keep the water in the earthen pot, because it makes the water cool due to the evaporation. And why does it show the evaporation? Because it has small pores, and from those pores water is evaporized, student. So it is the main reason. And what is the main reason of it? The latent heat of the vaporization is the main answer of all these phenomena. Now we come on the next question. Why does desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? In nowadays, in the summer especially, what we use the desert cooler, and at the side of the fan, what is found there, student? Water is found. What means water falling takes place. When the water fall from the side of the fan, then that water is evaporized with the help of fan, student. Means the speed of the wind fan, that vaporization is increased, and due to that increasing of the vaporization, the kinetic energy of the particles of the water is also increased. With this, the particles also gain the kinetic energy by the absorption of the heat energy of the surrounding, student. That's why we can say that the desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day than a fan, or is without cooling having with a fan. We can say that the desert cooler is a better option. So it is about the questions or the scientific facts of the chapter 1, student, and these all phenomena are related to which scientific phenomena, student? It is related to evaporization. So you will try to cover all these questions, and you will write the answer of this question in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.